Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Slime Diaries episode 3. I'm X Creek, that's Azalfan and Health.
Oh,
So,
Alright, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's summertime.
hey.
that do anything?
Okay, that can't be the normal size for a sunflower, right? That's huge.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, seems similar. I don't think this is actual. Wow, you know what? I don't know.
um,
Oh, here we. Oh, it's pseudo
Pseudo
sunflowers.
sunflower?
Why
I don't
is
know
it
about
called?
the eyes though.
Yeah, it's. Can they look back? Oh, Jesus Christ! Burn it! Burn it! Uh,
I think we need different sunflowers.
hmm. Burn it! You think? I think you can see their shadows behind you. From behind you. We still haven't seen her.
I mean, it was up pretty late in opening, so maybe she shows up like a bit later in the anime.
Or
Or,
even in season 2, she only appears
yeah.
like in the literally the last episode, so
Well, she appeared in like one of the earlier episodes, but
the
only like
the
a silhouette.
flashback it doesn't really count.
No, but she appears as a silhouette though.
That's a
In in
silhouette,
in,
That
in
counts?
yes,
Clayman's,
but
yeah,
not physically there.
yeah. She's only like 5 seconds. I think summer everywhere is hot. That's the thing.
I don't know about summer in Antarctica being hot.
Ah, that's true.
Yo, it's
They're
smoking.
actually just steaming.
Yeah, it's because it's too hot. Uh-oh, be careful there.
Really.
It is
Well,
the Storm Dragon. It is technically his fault
technically,
then.
yeah. Uh-huh. Nothing you can do.
They make it Veldora Totemensim?
Why does he look a bit,
That appear?
yeah. Not really. He did tell you to devour him, right?
Didn't tell that would affect the environment, I guess.
That's true, but that's his fault.
Why are you both taking things so relaxed in here?
Yeah, well. Yeah, that's cheating.
Yeah.
I
I
say
still
that,
don't
but
understand how that game
yeah, I
works.
say that, but I don't know how to play. Well, it's pretty clear, isn't it?
at the placard of like different Rimuru. So I don't even know if they were different.
Yeah. What? Okay.
What's happening?
She said she's not wearing one layer that you can't see. So the assumption would be her underwear.
Okay.
Hang on a minute. Oh, is it giant sized?
Like the sunflower?
Probably, yeah.
Sunflower wasn't that big.
Yeah. Also, excuse me, if it is giant sized, shouldn't you guys tell Rimuru that the net isn't big enough? Well, there you
It's
go.
here. Yeah, there you go. It's pretty
Well,
big, alright.
The net, it does nothing. Wow.
Rest in peace, Kubuta.
Well,
He's strong. He's okay.
yeah, it's fine.
They have a stack beetle in the main series?
I don't remember. Who?
Is that a sniper? That is a sniper.
It's like, yeah, it's like a giant cannon. Um,
Wait a minute.
Whoa.
okay. Uh,
I don't
that-
see this going well for you in a few seconds.
yeah, that's not going to end well. You do realize that, well, yeah,
Oh.
well, okay then. Holy crap.
God.
I think that's a bit overkill.
Yeah, that's
You just made a new
Definitely.
river.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Rimuru has tits.
I don't know.
Um,
He can just change that
he
if he
can
wants
he,
to, I
he,
guess.
he can buff himself. So yeah,
Yeah, he is a slime.
it's hermaphrodite. So
Last time I checked, Rimuru is male. Please do not try to confuse my PP.
Mm.
you're already like changing shape physically. So oh yeah.
Okay. Uh, what? You know what? Sure.
Somehow reminds me of Overlord. Oh, everyone is just basically obsessed with the
Yeah.
leader.
Oh, hey, the flower's still there, at least. Um, yeah, sure.
Buddies.
Friends, yeah. Who? Oh, means a contest of endurance.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Uh-huh. This
Wait.
this is
wow.
this is like based from like a real
Like
TV show, isn't
reality
it?
show, yeah.
Yeah. Then don't. You already know
He
that this
can't
you will.
lose. Rimuru
Hmm.
can't lose because he's
Yeah.
both resistant to heat and cold, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. What 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 are you doing? Okay. Well, he lost. Oh, is the endurance contest actually eating Shion's food?
Oh
That's
my god.
just cruel.
Yes. Oh,
Okay,
rip
so it was
everyone.
doing fine until Shion's food came into the scene, I think.
Oh yeah, probably. What do you mean? Hmm. Good choice.
Sometimes, Gobita, you just need to follow your heart. His name again?
Yeah. Do you not have an outdoor like forge? That would be a bit
Oh, there you go. That's his
less
name, Kurobe.
less of a sauna. Oh, good for you then.
Oh, I made another one.
Oh, another tool. And what the hell is
What?
Um.
What kind of
what the hell is
Gupta's face?
Maybe don't use that,
What-
Gupta. Just
what
saying.
the hell did he make?
That's either a very, very cursed sword or something out of a hentai.
Hmm.
Or both. Doesn't have to be
Or
mutually
both, yes.
exclusive.
Uh,
Are they gonna fight?
apparently,
No.
that was too easy. By the way, if you don't want the other person to take Rimuru from your hands, you might try not jumping towards your enemy. Try dodging. That's a good trick.
I think Rimuru
Wait.
is.
Rimuru,
Oh,
you just
well.
split into two and that's it?
Oh, maybe there will be two Rimurus.
But he can split himself into like
Yeah.
several things. So
No, it's we own they get one stretchy Rimuru now. That's a
Ah, he just turns big. Also
kinda.
works.
I don't know about mascot though.
Technically, he is a mascot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So they were doing it because it's cooler.
A lot of those.
Wind chimes.
That guy was the seller or something?
I don't know. People say that when you listen to it, it makes you feel a bit cooler, like less hot. But I don't know. Mhm. Mhm. Gonna give it to the kid, maybe.
yeah, she wants it.
That's why children like him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just
Really nice.
yourself as a drink.
Yeah. Wait, if they have a bar, this is not a tavern, it's a bar. If they have a bar, do they have like a refrigerator?
They have cooling apparently, so
Yeah.
Maybe there's a cooling magic.
Yeah, if they can use magic to make it cooler, can't you just put like cooling magic in everyone's place?
don't they need something to sustain the magic though?
Oh wow. Yeah,
Limited
maybe.
magic power, maybe.
Hmm.
That's salt. They doing the thing.
I don't know. What
No,
is that?
no, it's just normal pouring something.
It's probably salt because that's like. Hmm.
I was expecting the you know that pose, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Happened to the previous owner.
Oh yeah. Wait, what?
Did
She's not answering it.
yeah, it's our vacation.
Oh, you're still filling the diary? I thought you forgot about that.
But gave up about it. Yeah.
Yeah. Endless summer vacation. Don't you
I
say
don't
that?
know about endless.
Because whenever I hear endless summer vacation,
Oh,
what pops into mind
oh.
is like 8
Endless 8.
cursed episode.
Yeah. I still don't know why people like that thing.
Yes. No
Well,
one
after-
likes that thing.
No.
Even
I
the
know
say
some.
you like apologized for
I know
those
some
episodes.
people who actually like it.
I don't know.
They were very.
I think they
No. I watched that because someone I know told me to. Hey, let's
I think
watch.
they're just trolling.
Let's watch that show together, and we watch it like 3 people. It was before we made this channel, so the live reaction, quote unquote, was only by Steam chat, and all 8 episodes. I watched the first one. Oh yeah, that's cool, and then the second one. Oh yeah, that's cool, and then after that, I was just browsing and watching YouTube and just answering. Oh yeah, they have a different clothes. I don't care anymore.
Oh, in case anyone doesn't know what we're talking about, it's
Haruhi.
Haruhi season
Haruhi's Endless
2,
Eight.
the Endless 8 arc.
It's
Yeah.
unique. Yes, it's unique, but I
The first 3
wouldn't
times, yes.
Yeah, I
After
wouldn't
that, it's like,
say-
why?
Yeah, I
It's just the
wouldn't.
same episode, but
I wouldn't recommend.
gotta give
people
it to
just-
them. They like completely remake it new in every
Every
episode.
time, 8 times
That's
over.
true.
Sure.
That's true. Yeah.
To the point that say you apologized.
Yeah, I think they say you have to voice
Wait,
it
what?
8
what?
times,
TST
right?
documentary
What the hell
Goodbye
is this?
Rimuru. What?
Wait, what?
What is this?
Muru die?
Well,
No, this is not the main series.
Hello.
What is happening?
What is
why
happening?
are there a lot of you?
A lot of Rimuru. What?
It's a
Is that a
documentary about
slime
slimes.
infestation?
Oh, is it like regular slime?
Is this the slime exodus?
Maybe.
Like the normal slime, not Rimuru slime.
Yeah. Probably.
So many of them, though.
They should have added like the documentary narration. Oh, are
This
they
is the
going
slime
to the
in
town?
their natural habitat.
Run, girl! Don't get eaten by slimes.
There you go.
Okay. It's a tradition, so they know.
Isn't this your first summer?
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Probably not. It's been several
How
years,
many
right?
how many years has it been?
It's been several years
after
I
he made
think,
the town.
since the goblin. I kind of forgot though. What?
Okay.
What?
Okay, he's having fun.
Copying him?
And they're back
Is it
already?
over? What are you? What?
Oh, they thought he's going back. But you guys are my family. Yeah.
Oh, it's those flowers again. Jeez.
Oh wow. Okay. Of course.
Swimsuit episode.
Yes, of course.
We had
Every
that in the
Nice.
opening, so I
every
guess we're having this, yeah.
Yeah.
slice of life.
Yeah,
or-
of course. I want
yeah.
to see the sunflowers in swimsuits. I mean, what?
Yes.
Mm.
Sunflower swimsuits.
The
Yeah.
sunflowers
Sure.
have gotten into Creek's brain. Send help. Send help.
All right then. All right. So yeah, that was Slime Diaries episode 3. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Bye.